Here we've got ZTE Blade v2020, and let me show you how to change SIM pin in this device. At first you need to reach Settings, then find and select Security right here. Now go a bit lower, and here you will notice SIM card lock. Just mark it, and if you'd like to change it, click on Change SIM pin, and at first you need to provide the current one. Click on OK as only it is entered, and now provide the one that you would like to have right now. And this is it. As you can see, SIM pin has been changed, so now you can use it, and then whenever you would like to add another one or change it smoothly, do it the same way. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.